Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about C++ functions. So what is function in C++? Functions are nothing but the procedure or the task or group of tasks given to the compiler to compile. So a function is a block of code that performs particular task. Suppose for example, if we want to write a program in which we are calculating sum of two numbers, and also we are calculating the multiplication of these two numbers. So what we have to do as a programmer, we have to write two functions. First function is to do the sum of these two numbers, and second function is to multiply these two numbers. So this is how we created two small blocks of codes which are called functions to perform these two separate operations. So functions help us divide the complex situation or problems into the smaller codes. Okay, and because of that, the program will be very easy to read and easy to understand, and these codes will be reusable. See, this block of codes will be reusable. So functions are reusable in C++. So if you talk about function, there are two types of functions in C++. First are the standard library functions, and other ones are user defined functions. So what is standard library functions? Standard library functions are predefined in C++, and second ones are user defined functions which are defined by the users. So let's talk about only user defined functions right now. So what is a user defined function? How to write it? So syntax for user defined function is very easy. So it is written like function name and the return type. Return type is a data type of function, and into bracket parameter 1 comma parameter 2, and there are more than one two parameters are here, and into the curly brackets we have to write down the function body. Function body is nothing but the task we want this function to perform. So as we saw in previous example, sum and multiplication, we can write function name as a sum, and we can pass parameter a comma b, which are we are going to use to add two numbers, and in the function body we have to type the result of the addition of the two number or cout statement, whatever we want. So let's see the example for this, how to write. So it looks like this. So the function name is here is a welcome, and the type is return type is a void, which we are not getting any value back. And into the function body we are going to write cout statement, where we are going to print this whole sentence, welcome to Tech Academy at we learn technology. So this is the one we want in the output. So when we call this function welcome, this should be the output of the program. So this is called normally the function declaration, and to call this function we just have to write the welcome. So let's see in actual example how to do that. So I'll show you in the Visual Code. So here is a Visual Studio Code I opened, and on the left side panel you'll see the name of the directory, and here there are two small icons with the plus sign. So this is new file. I'm going to click on this new file, and here I'll type the name of my program function trial function try dot cpp. We should write dot cpp, and then once we press enter it will open this kind of clean nice editor, and here we had to type the program. So we'll start typing hash include, and into angular bracket iostream, next line using namespace std, and then uh, here we have to start declaring function. declaration in the comment. So this is a comment. So after this nothing will execute. Whatever we write after this two slashes will be treated as a comment in C++. So now we will write the function, and here we are writing function welcome, one which I showed you in previous slide. So welcome in this function, in the function body, we are going to type, this is a function body, so I will put it in the comment, so that you know this part is function body. And here I am going to type C out, and then we are typing the welcome statement here. Welcome to Tech Academy. And then we learn technology, and then at the end we will put um, end L here to end the line with start with the new line. And then here after the function body, what we will do is we will write the another main function. So main is main function in C++. In main function body we are going to type C out, hi everyone, okay. And again I will type end L here, okay. And then we will give something like a system pause for a few seconds. Okay, so what we're going to do now here, we are going to run this program and see what comes out. Okay, so I will save this dot showing here, that means this program is not saved. So control S, and then dot is disappeared over here. Now what we will do, we will go to this terminal and we'll click on this terminal, and we'll click on this run build task. After clicking that, we will get these few options. So I am choosing this mingw to compile, and now you see the message build finished successfully. And I'll close this window, and now I will run this file by clicking terminal, new terminal, and you'll see the directory name, and on the left side you'll see the exe file is created. So what we have to do here, type the name of the exe file to run this program. So function try, we don't have to type the extension. Press enter and you will see the output, hi everyone. So what happened over here, I'll just bring this down. So what happened over here, only the compiler went to the main, and compiler checked there is a cout statement to print, and it gave us result hi everyone. But what happened to this function? Nothing happened. Why? Because we didn't call that function. So what we had to do to print this line, we had to call this function. So after function declaration we should call this function, which is called function definition. So to call the function, all we have to do is type the name of the function and then semicolon. So this is the where we are calling the function call. Now let's see the result. Okay, now I will do again this white dot you see here, dot means it's not saved, so control S to save, dot is disappeared. Now I will click on terminal, build task, build this file, build finished successfully, close this window, new terminal, and now just press upper arrow key, you will see the previous command, press enter, and now you will see both the lines printed here, hi everyone and welcome to Tech Academy, we learn technology. So when we have called this function here inside our main, then only this welcome to take academy at we learn technology printed. So this is how we define the function. This is how we declare the function. So that's all. It's very easy to write functions in C++. So keep practicing every day. Keep repeatedly writing a same program and make little variations in that. And it's very easy to write a function, declare them, and call them in C++. Practice makes you perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.